Assalamu alaikum Morokistan family. Today we are cooking a classic and aromatic chicken liver masala with capsicum packed with bold spices, tender chicken livers. This dish is a must try. Let's dive into the recipe. Start by heating 1/3 cup of oil on low flame in a pan. Add 450 grams of pre-washed well-drained chicken livers and gently mix. Then add 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Fry for 4 to 6 minutes on medium flame. Next add half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix well and cook for 2 minutes. Add 1 cup of chopped capsicum. Mix. If you have not subscribed to Morokistan Kitchen yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for more amazing recipes. Cook covered for 3 minutes on medium flame. Now add 1.5 cups of chopped tomatoes. Mix and cover. Cook for 5 to 8 minutes until the tomatoes soften. Finally, garnish with chopped coriander and green chilies. And here you go, your delicious chicken liver masala with capsicum is ready to enjoy with plain bread or paratha. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Happy cooking, enjoy your meal and see you next time.